Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing tape-ins in my hair. This is my first time trying these tape-ins. I have 3 bundles. One is a 18-inch, one is a 20-inch, and the other is a 22-inch. So right now I'm just sectioning my hair off to figure out if I would like to do a center part, which I probably just stick with the center part because, you know, your girl got some light edges and, you know, I don't really want to do a side part because then it's going to be stuck on one side. So I'd rather do the center part. What made me really wanted to try out the tape and extensions is because you can do several styles, as in putting your hair in a ponytail. Also, it's not heavy or tight on your hair from what I reviewed, but that's why I'm trying it out now just to see how I like it. But you can definitely do multiple styles with the tape-ins. So everything that I will be using doing this hairstyle, I will leave down in the description box for you so you can know what products I use, and I will also leave the hair down below as well. Right now I'm just trying to figure out my edges situation because my edges just started growing back. So that was another reason why I wanted to try the tape-ins, because I don't want to put too much tension on my edges, as in mean braiding it or having it really tight with different hairstyles. So that is another go-to, I feel like, as in that will help my edges and let it breathe a little bit where it can grow back properly. Now I'm going to section out the back of my hair so I can start placing the tape ends in my hair. So of course I'm going to start off with the 22-inch. What I noticed is that the 22-inch looks kind of short. So I'm really debating if I'm going to keep it long or I might start cutting it and do like a nice little flowy bob, but that has layers in it. Each side of the tape-ins has tape on it. So basically how you put the tape-ins in, you have to put one at the bottom of the part that you parted out and put the other part on the top of the same section that you parted out. So basically your hair will be in a sandwich. Also, make sure after you place both of the tape-ins and it's sandwiching your hair that you put a little heat. You should also purchase a mini flat ironer, because I did try to use my big one, but it was like, what are you doing, girl? You know this is not going to work and you going to be struggling. So definitely get a mini flat ironer that can fit between the parts, so you can continue to go on a little faster than what I was doing. As y'all can see, I kind of did the back of my hair off camera. It was extremely hard, but I definitely went and got my mirror from out my room, my tall mirror, and I just placed it in the back of me so I can see what I was doing, and I had my back towards the mirror in my bathroom, so that helped me out a lot to go through my hair in the back. It's coming out really good. I like it so far. Like, it feels so light already. And I do see that it's a big difference from having your hair in braids and then getting it sewn down. So it definitely feels light so far. I'm so excited that it's coming out right. I did have a little trouble getting to the front because some of the tape ends were like not sticking, and that's because I put a little bit of product in my hair. And I just want to tell y'all, do not put too much product in your hair because the glue is going to give you a hard time to stick. You want to put product after you get the tape ends in your hair. I feel like that will work. But now I know, not to put too much product. I honestly don't feel like I'm going to use all of this hair, so I'm definitely going to have some hair left over, which I'm excited about. I got a little small head, so I don't really need like a lot of hair. And then also too, I want my hair to look as natural as possible. I do want it to look full, but not too full. So if you get what I'm saying, you get what I'm saying. But it's definitely going to come out cute. I'm going to definitely style it so it can look nice. This definitely takes a lot of patience. So if you don't have them, you better learn to have them when you're doing this. I do feel like this is an easy process once I get the hang of it. Like I said before, this is my first time, and I'm definitely enjoying the experience of doing it myself. But so far, so good. Comment down below if you would try the tape ends and how do you think my hair turned out at the end. So now I'm just gonna go through and cut my hair. Like I said before, I knew it that the length of the hair, I probably wasn't going to be feeling it. So I'm just going to cut it into like a natural bob with some layers in it. And then I'm going to curl it. But overall, it came out so good. It feels so good. It feels light. You can definitely put your hair up in the ponytail or do half up, half down. You can definitely do a lot with these tape ends. It's definitely if you wanted to put some in just for fullness. And yes, y'all gotta try it out. Comment down below if you like how my tape ends came out. So I am done cutting. I will be curling off camera. Yes, y'all cannot tell me that these tape-ins do not look nice. I did my thing. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel.